Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Aryahna if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? So as you can tell by the title, I think it's time to give the locks their shine, their chance. I literally was just like, this is the day. If I don't do it today, I can forget it. I don't know why, but today is the day. I don't know why I'm so nervous. Like, it's not just hair, but like at the same time, it's like, it's okay. Like, yeah, I think it's time. It is time. I really feel like it's time for me to do this. So we're gonna go ahead and do it. I'm gonna wash my hair and I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, I cannot believe I'm actually doing this. I'm gonna figure out my parts. I'm not gonna do exact parts, so I mean like perfect parts. So alright, let's get started. So part of my hair, I'm gonna be putting my herbal hair mist from Donata's Co. Well, hold on, what order? Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna be putting my herbal hair mist from Donata's Co. Then I blended up some aloe vera, so I'm gonna be putting the aloe vera after the hair mist. My Haitian hair butter from Donata's Co. And then and I don't know if I'm putting too much with this, but I just want it to be super moisturized the first time, like the base. And then something is telling me not to use this, so yeah, I'm not gonna use this. So just the hair mist, the hair butter, and the aloe vera, fresh aloe vera mix that I made. So let's get started. I am almost done, y'all. I have the two front, well, this is gonna be one twist. I just had to go get my charger. This is one, but then I have these two little buns in the front. Oh, and this little part over here. I have watched 4 movies now. High School Musical 1 and 2, Camp Rock 2, and what was the first? Mulan. Yes, I'm on Disney Plus. Yeah, so I've watched 4 movies now. I'm pretty much almost done with my hair, just have the front left, and then I'm gonna be done. I can't believe it, we're gonna be done, and this is it. This is gonna be it. No more doing this for a very, very long time. I am done. I feel like in the back, I kind of did these a little bit thicker. And then in the front, it's kind of like, oh, that's aloe. It's kind of like thinner, but yeah, this is it, guys. This is it. So yeah. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. I guess I'll update you guys. I don't even know if I'm going to keep this in, I'm not going to lie. I don't know if I'm going to lock my hair yet, but I think I am. I think I am. But alright. Thanks guys for watching. And see you in my next video. Bye guys.